everyone, we are at the Container Store and welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new. So today we are going to be shopping for our lunch boxes and containers for school. So let's go. The Container Store has a bunch of containers. Let's go.
Yeah, we're back here again. I'm sure.
Okay, so here are the things where you can hold your snacks, and then lunch boxes, bags here too, and then a bunch of things to hold other stuff here on the rows again. Two more.
This one I think would be very nice because I like to pack like hot foods in the winter. Not necessarily soup, but something like mac and cheese or
Oh, they have a better design. Then let me see.
no, like,
Is at the top?
see, look, it has this insulated one, so it's around this edge. And it goes in here too. So it fits here, and then
Okay guys, so this lunchbox is different with the ones that I just showed you earlier. It's because right here it can leak through. It does not have the silicone. So I don't recommend, if you don't want your foods mixing up, then don't get it. So, but here's like a whole bunch of matching stuff. Okay, let's go over here and explore. Is the basket of banana money? Okay guys, we are at REI and we're going to go and check out their lunch boxes. So let's go. Guys, put your mask on. Everyone, okay, we came back. We are done shopping, and I want to show you what we've got. So here we have a Hydro Flask lunchbox. I got blue because this year I am so into blue. Okay, so the thing I like about this is that it looks very sturdy, and it's insulated on the inside, and it's waterproof on the inside, and on the outside it's water resistant. The thing I like about this is that it can keep your food hot if you put a hot pack in here longer, or if you put an ice pack in here, then it keeps it colder for longer. But there's one thing, Hydro Flask, can you take if you're watching this, may you please take my request to consideration. for your next design, or you can even add it to the design I have right here, may you please add a handle right here, because like other people like my mom, they might like to decorate their lunch and we don't want to get it ruined. So may you please put a handle right here so we can like hold it like this. Thank you. Okay, next off, the soup container. Great job, Hydro Flask, because now you have the top like this. It's like made like this. The old one, this one, you only glued it on. So whenever we turn it, this happens. And we can still see the glue mark right here. But bravo, because you made it in one piece, and that is awesome. So that's one thing to celebrate about, because whenever I eat my soup at school now, I do not have to worry about my top. Whenever I open it, it's just going to be like this. Like this. Like, Okay, so let's put that aside. Okay. Our next one we have is this salad thing for our salads. So this is really helpful, because like you can just take it out like this and wash the silicone, and then take the plastic. Hold on. Okay. Take the plastic like this. Just take it out, and once you're done, just push it right back in like this. No, hold on. I think it's like it's like this. Just give me a few. Is that a squirrel behind us? I'm so sorry, but it just like climbed onto our deck and then jumped off. Just squirrels are so cute to me. So okay, so just if you have trouble, just start pulling up like this, and it should look like this. And once you're done, you can just screw it right on. This says on the go silicone squeeze bottle, and it says it's leak proof. So all you have to do is do this. Very simple to squeeze like this onto your salad. Close it, stir up your salad, and then you're ready to go. So it's like this. It's silicone, so very easy to wash. And this is dishwasher safe. This thing says right here. So here we are. Okay guys, there are a lot of good things about this, and I want to show you a few more. When you get stuff, you want to look for these. Dishwasher safe and BPA safe. If you're wondering what BPA is, it's the stuff that isn't good for your body. So you always want to look for those and make sure there isn't like this, like that. So like the letters and then a circle and then a like line across it, a diagonal line. Okay, here are some stuff we can carry like things in. Here's the brand. Oops. Here's the brand. So you can hold like ketchup if you're having fries or something, and you can also have other things like mustard or mayo or any dressing that you want. So like you can just take it out like this. This one we got at the Container Store. So is this one. So they come in 3 different colors at the Container Store: green, blue, and red. So here's the green. Here's the blue. If we ever use this in the school year, I'm gonna request for blue. And here's the red. If we have ketchup though, I'm gonna ask for the red to match it. Okay guys, again, if this one, it says on the bottom, it says BPA safe, not dishwasher safe, and keep away from children and pets. And this is not a toy. I know that. Okay, so it might say in letters. It might not be like this, but you always have to keep an eye out to see if it says BPA safe or it has this sign. So, I mean not safe, free, because that stuff isn't good for your body. And I don't think I want like stuff that's not good for my body in my body. Okay guys, the next thing we got are these utensils. They are silicone and they already come with the utensils inside. So basically it's just the basic utensils, very easy to get out. So basically it's like a silicone thing right here, so you can take them out like this. A knife, this is like the weirdest looking knife I've ever seen, because it's like, oh, I think I see why. Like, it could be like once you cut it like this, you're like like, anyway, it comes with a knife, a fork, and a spoon. Once you put it back in though, you want to put it like this and like this, or else it won't fit. The spoon is like, I think, the biggest utensil in this set, so you can put them all in at once. So just slide it in, push it in over here, and then there you go. So we got these utensils to eat, and we think it's like really neat because it's not like, it's like flexible and you can turn over, and it's not really big. So we like that's what we like about that. Now, the last thing, our lunchboxes, also from the Container Store. This is a reusable container for school. So this is like meant for school and like work and other stuff. This is BPA right here. Look again, right here, BPA and PVC, and no idea what that word is, and this free. So if you know how to read it, there you go. Okay, so that's what we have in here. So the thing I like about this is that it has the silicone, so it does not spill. So then you can, even if you have something that you think might spill, like because maybe your other containers, they don't have the silicone there and it spills, and I recommend getting this one because it will not spill with this silicone. It also has a divider, so you can put your main course here and some healthy stuff here, and maybe your dessert here. So, or your dressing here too. You never know. And once you put it down, you can see it looks like this, and it looks like it can't close. But here it says you have to push it in order for it to close like this. Okay guys, have I mentioned why I love this bento box? Is because most bento boxes, they don't have the silicone between the compartments. They usually have it around, but not between. So this one, it has between the compartments, so it's leak proof. Usually other bento boxes, they don't have it here, so that's what I like about this bento box. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you how to organize my lunchbox. And my mom and I have a reason of getting this lunchbox, because we can eat inside of it, but if it becomes too hard, I'll show you what we're gonna do in just a second. But first, before we do, I'm gonna show you how to organize it. First, I'm gonna put my container in here, and then I'm gonna put my utensils right next to it. And this little bag, you're gonna see what's inside just in a moment. Like that. Okay, now if we have some dressings like this, or like this one, we can just fit it right here. We zip it up, and this is the night before school. I'm just gonna like do this. Okay, now, but like if my mom decorated it, like I said in the beginning of the video, hydro flask. Can you please put like, so I can like, okay, so like, okay, now I'm at school. Okay guys, pretend I am at school. I'm going to unzip my lunchbox, take the mysterious pouch out, and put this to the side. I know my desk is not going to be this big. Probably I'm going to put it in my lap. So, first thing is that I'm going to take these wipes. Ooh, okay. Like, I grabbed two things out and just, okay. Okay, I'm going to use these wipes, take one out, and then just like wipe my desk. And then I'm going to take this placemat to eat on. This placemat, like this. It has this tape right here where I can just peel it off, but not today. So I'm just gonna have it like that. And then I'm gonna get my lunchbox on my placemat. And then I'm going to take this wipe and wipe my hands. Then I'm gonna put everything back, yes, even the trash. Zip this back up, and then you're ready to eat. So just open it up like this. If I want, I can eat it straight in my lunchbox. Or if I don't want, I can just take, say if I have a salad, I can take my dressing out and my utensils, and I can just put my lunchbox probably in my lap or behind my chair. And then I'm going to put this here, and you have a clean surface to eat. I know this seems like a lot of work, guys, but it's the best. We have to take extra good of our health during COVID because you don't want to get sick. So like this, I just open my lunchbox. If I had a salad here, squeeze, and then yeah. Obviously, I eat with a fork, so you can see that you already know that I put spoon, fork, knife, so I can just move the knife aside and then just grab my fork, or I could just take them all out and then just get my my fork, and then just put the rest of the utensils here, and then just Bye guys, I hope this was helpful. If you think this was helpful, please put like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my latest videos. You're gonna see me in a little bit because I'm going to do school supply shopping and organizing my binder. Bye everyone, I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye, see y'all next time. Bye!